Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for new arrivals. Are you ready? Let's start. What is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Which river is the longest in the world? Nile River. Mount Everest lies between which two countries? Nepal and China. What is the capital city of Australia? Canberra. Which blood cells fight infection? White blood cells. Which mineral is required for hemoglobin formation? Iron. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which organ regulates blood sugar? Pancreas. The Great Wall of China was built to protect from whom? Mongol invasions. Who invented the printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. When did World War I start? 1914. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Vitamin B1. Which is the largest vein in the human body? Vena cava. What is the functional unit of the nervous system? Neuron. What is the scientific name of humans? Homo sapiens. The process by which plants make food is called? Photosynthesis. What is the center of the solar system? Sun. What is the unit of electric current? Ampere. What is the study of living things called? Biology. What is the average human blood volume? 5 to 6 liters. Which enzyme breaks down protein? Pepsin. Which enzyme is absent in gastric juice? Lipase. What is the green pigment in plants? Chlorophyll. Where is the World Bank headquarters? Washington, D.C. Where is the headquarters of Red Cross? Geneva, Switzerland. What is the national bird of Pakistan? Chukar. What is the currency of Russia? Ruble. What is the currency of Sri Lanka? Rupee. What is the currency of Kuwait? Dinar. Who invented the steam engine? James Watt. Who invented the television? John Logie Baird. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Who discovered gravity? Sir Isaac Newton. Where is the Colosseum located? Italy. Where is the Golden Gate Bridge? San Francisco, USA. Where is the Christ the Redeemer statue located? Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. What is the full form of UNESCO? United Nations, Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. What does OIC stand for? Organization of Islamic Cooperation. When was NATO formed? 1949. What does UNICEF stand for? United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. When did World War I end? 1918. When did the 9/11 attacks occur? 2001. When was the first World Cup of football played? 1930. When did NATO come into existence? 1949. What gas do humans exhale? Carbon dioxide. What vitamin is produced by sunlight? Vitamin D. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell. What is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. What is the capital of the USA? Washington, D.C. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share the video.